Welcome, guys. Thanks for the support. Another day. Hope everyone here is good. Today a little late. PPI. I'm jobless. PPI. I'm jobless. I think. Let me see. Yeah. Today we got this jobless PPI and the jobless claims. All of them negative for the USD. So that means probably we will have another reaction soon for buyers, but well, we got this Celson in 4405. And it's a beautiful Celson, yeah. Mhm. So, well, guys, same process as usual. Try to help me with the likes. Let's try to get 100 likes for continue. More than 100 people is here, so I'm expect at least almost 200 people here and just 20 likes, guys. Let's arrive to 100 likes for continue. Let's go to 100 likes, guys. Minimum 100 likes, guys. Okay, I will prepare the long position. Let's see. 200 people now into the stream and just 60 likes, guys. I appreciate if you help me to get at least 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. So, well, let me clean this. Price is going back. So, guys, 100 likes minimum. Forget the information. So, well, vamos a ver. Tucutú. Let me read the chat. Mateo Hernandez is here. Turmalina is here. Daniel is here. Matthew is here. What do you think? For the long, okay. Alexandra. Alexandra está por aquí también. Excelente. Basti, mi amigo, está por aquí. Perfecto, muy bien. Okay. Marco is here too. Blue Mango is here. Excellent, my friend. Uh, Doctor, my friend, is here too. Okay. 43, 70. Everyone nice is here. Welcome, my friend. So, well, nice, nice. Beautiful people here into the chat, guys. So, well, let's continue. Almost 300 people now. Almost 100 likes now. Just I need 9 likes more for continue with this. Yes, well, the manipulation is every time. So, let's see. Hope this today is another day. Good morning, everyone, and good trade today. Hello, bro. How long have you been trading for? More than 6 years. 6 years or in pure pain, guys. 6 years of pure pain and experience. Telegram group fees for sure, my friend. 1 month, $75, or 1 month or one payment for lifetime subscription. That means 100 sorry, $205, one payment. Okay, so I don't know why percentage uh, it was countdown. How long were you trying to set up some strategies before you learn to one you use? The first, I think, 2 years. I use many strategies about the um different strategies. That's all. Mixed with everything. But at the end, I understand the volume. That's it's more with me, like the sounds, the point of view, what I see, and everything. So the orders set in one point, that means a lot, and for that reason, I choose the volume. Volume of orders set the for example, 43.75, and for that reason, 43.75. It's giving us that reaction now. Okay, because many orders for buyers was there into this volume buy some, and for that reason the reaction there stopped the points for sellers. So so well, that is the that's why I like the volume. Read that. It's a point. Okay, 100 likes now. So I'm going to take advantage of these 5 minutes for explain the sons. Yesterday, unfortunately, we tried a long position, but the price break that point pretty easy and goes back to the 33.70, 33.80. Now, right now, this is the volume sell sun, as you can see, giving us a good reaction there for sellers without a retracement. Okay, good reaction. The main sun trying to continue with that pressure. It's the 43.68. So let's see what happens if the sellers lose that point. It's 4 hours volume sell sun. It's keeping here the 43.75 and the 43.68 mixing with the volume and the resistance plus 1 hour and 4 hours. So for that reason, the price still like that, like that. Reaction into the volume so Sony 4403. So Valente Cuyo is here. So questions now, questions. 3 minutes for questions. Questions. Where do you see the volumes with the volume indicator? These bars here. There's the volume indicator. And length 10 volume is here. The name is volume, pretty easy. On your own channel, yes, some of the strategy is there in some videos into the channel tractors Pakistan. Some of the information is there, but most of the explanation is into the Discord. Okay, questions. Well, beautiful guys. 330 people is here. Try to Let's go to 120 likes, guys. 120 likes. Right now it's 105 likes. I appreciate the people who support me with the likes. Make me a reaction for some party here into the chat. Let's see. I think I need a shadow ban for YouTube. That thing happens when I have not that good weeks. So well, I appreciate if you help me with the party, with the icon for party into the chat. That helps a lot too. To get more people. You're watching not kill one live. Yes. I'm not liking the like. Exactly. How do you terminate the sounds? With the volume indicator. With the volume indicator. Perfect, my friend. Nice. Thank you for coming live and these times. Okay. The price is falling. Not too much questions, just about the volume. The volume, I use the volume indicator. Mhm. The count, yesterday with a loose, so it's not in that healthy again. For yesterday, I committed a mistake for not took partials. It was a mistake by my side. Okay, so ready. It's going up hard. It just give us 1 minute. Let's see if the price can go back to the 40.75. Because just give us time frame for 1 minute, then the reaction. Hard. Let's see the next retracement. For the 380. Let's see if 43.77. Okay, the price is going back. 75. Mm, Going up, going up. 78. Let's see if I can get the 77 again. Mm, Okay, let's see here. Okay, 75. Good. 74, it's now. Okay, price is there. Okay, 24, 63. Mhm. Mm, 74. Take profit. 4405. Okay, this maximum stop loss is 43.59. More than that. Okay, now we need to calculate the 44, 43.86. Working into ATPs as fast as I can. $95. 4405. Mhm. Mhm. Price trying to stay there into the TP and to the point of entry. 43.95. 43.95. Okay, good. This is the full TPM. This stop is there. Mm. Okay, the position is there. Let's see the reaction. If you get a better entry than me, um, use the same stop loss, please. Just let me clean this. Use the same stop loss. 43.59. Final TP 4405. No more than that. But the most important thing here is the stop loss. 43.59. Okay? Be clear of that, guys. Mhm. Okay, I need to change this. The price is trying to continue. As you can see, I get two different positions. One in the main that was worse. In 1 minute, it followed 30 pips, and for that reason, I mean, negative with that point. And the other one, the price, the point of entry, what we are using, and we were waiting the 4475. It will happens in all the positions like this. You will get a different points than me or you guys. It depends of that. Okay. Some people told me always, I want your point of entry. How? It's basically it's impossible. Just if your account is linked with my account, that will happen. But with that type of volatility, probably you get or well, you have two options: get a better point or um worse point. That's always the reality with this. Mhm. Price size trying to stay there more than 43.70, so that's great. Let's see the reactions there. full volume in 1 hour. That's the thing what I don't want. But well, did it. 43.73 again. Almost 350 people is in the stream now. Well, 450. So if you get a better point, 43.73, 43.71, use the same stop loss, guys. The stop loss is there. I think it's pretty clear here. Use it. Okay? Use it. 43.59. Please be clear of that. Okay? Remember, try to help me with the likes. It doesn't matter if it is a dislike or a like. It's okay, but just give me a reaction. That would be great. Okay, price trying to going up. Okay, the price continue. Some pressure probably in the next point of reaction. What we have, of course, I don't want to see that point. Is the 43.68 and 43.65. I don't want to see that points, but well, let's see. Remember, even if you get a better point, use the same stop loss. No reason to all use another different point. Be clear of that. This is the first 5 minutes of this candle trying to stay there into the point of entry. Near to that point. Good reaction. Good. So, well, going back to the point of entry again, guys, some people probably get a little more points, profit. If you don't like the trade, just, the process, you can close it. If you like the trade, you can hold with me. Even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss and touch the stop loss. So we're trying to stay there. One candle, hard reaction. Testing the 43.70. Yeah. Trying to stay there with not that too much pressure. One candle, one massive candle for the last minute. So we're staying there. Let's see. We were in 43.70, 43.80. Now we are in 43.70. going back to the 43.67. This is our last point of reaction. We need something good here. We need something good. In the next 3 minutes, three candles in green. Trying to go back to 43.70 or at least stay there near to the 43.70. That give us and continue with a good possibilities with this entry, guys. Forty-three, 71. 69. For a minute more. Okay. Trying to go back to our point of entry. Trying to go back to our point of entry and back again for 43.70. This is a new candle. Price is going back. Probably many people here are in positive now. Okay, the price going up. Your patience as usual. Okay, bearish today. Okay, see how to combine sell market. Okay, I think it's a stop loss day. Okay, good. Guys, again, if you don't like the trade now, the trade is in positive for the 450 people here. Probably it's in positive. You can close it and change your position. Change for a short position, for example. Um, yes. So well, the price is trying to going up 43.76. We need to break the 43.80. That's the most important thing right now. Break that point. Going back again. Okay, the price trying to stay there. 8 minutes more for end the candle in 50 minutes. Let's see what happened. Again, the 43.80 resistance match. Just waiting again. If you take a better position than me, use the 43.59. 43.58 maximum. Price trying to continue near to the our point of entry. So well, trying to continue. We need a good reaction there. Going back to the 43.70. Okay, try to stay there. And this is the last 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get the last two candles with something good. Let's see if the next candle can give us something green. That would be awesome. Mm. Going back to the 43.70 again. We need to stay there near to the 43.70. Okay. Ending with trying to break the 43.70. Now the last point of reaction looks. So, guys, stop. Massive stop. Go back 3 hard. One candle. One candle in 1 minute, giving us that stop. Painful, but well. It was one candle for 100 pips. Not too much to do. Mm. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. The stop is there. Unfortunately, the market give us that reaction for one candle. Well, nothing to do. Reset. But well, it happens. The stop loss is there, guys. Hmm. It's Trump, Huge Spike. Yes, was nice candle for sellers. Um, Damn nice candle for buyers too. So well, what can I say? Probably we can get a better point. 4370. Um, yes, probably I should weigh the a better point around 4370. If we get the trade in 4370, we will survive. Um, but yes, unfortunately, sometimes it's just luck. In this case, we do not have that luck in gold right now. Was beautiful reaction for buyers after the spike for the sellers. So, so well, let's see. Liquidity grab. Yes, stop loss has been inside in 43.57. Yes, probably if we open the 43.70, we will use the 43.50, 55 inclusive. But nothing. Okay, for News, the American aircraft carrier George Washington, along with its company, the strike group. Okay, moving towards Iran, a 6-day ceasefire between the United States. It's about to expire. It's sucky, buddy. Yes, it's really bad. But well, um, so we prepared the um, the reentry. So 7 minutes. Yes, I will try the re-entry. The thing is, with the prop, it's done. This account is loose, totally loose. So I just use this one for mark. So let's continue with this. The first time when I'm seeing the account so low, like 7,400. That's not good. If I lose this trade, no more trades. Well, let's try the position. Beautiful reaction for buyers. Unfortunately, we touched the stop loss. I'm not sad. I'm just a little angry because the idea was good. The execution was decent. You know, I was expecting a really good trade. That's all. Let's try the re-entry for that position. Of course, not in the 74th. Now let's see if we get some reactions there. Cierto, no se preocupa. So well, guys, the price will test higher prices for sure. Probably we're not going to see any retracement. Just let's wait. Let's wait and see what happens. I'm going to wait this candle. That's all. If this candle didn't give us the retracement, I'm not going to open any trade. Mhm. So, well, now the price is stuck in 43.83. The first CP is now 43.85. Second TP 43.90. I have an entry for 43.61. Beautiful, my friend. That's great. Beautiful point. Set your break even. Take your partials. Adrian Majo, I was in a long position. Yes, I was. Well, yes, my point of entry was a mess. That's the explanation. What can I say? Like, I should weigh the 43.70, but now I weigh the 43.75. When it touched the 43.75, the um, the price go up to 43.78. So that means my point into the real account was not the best. Then I try to take the 43.74. That's 63 decent point. With around 43.59 and stop loss. That was good for the stop, but unfortunately, one candle in 1 minute give us that pressure for sellers. Well, the stop was there. Now coming to the TP2, guys. Well, that thing happens. That thing happens, guys. It's sometimes you have the idea, sometimes you have plan. Well, everything depends of. It's not in your hands. Congratulations for the ones who hold the positions. Congratulations for the ones who take a better entry than me. Um, and congratulations who the ones who still hold him. Sorry for the ones who touched the stop. I will try to get something good. Not today. So so well. I have noticed that Go has a lot of manipulate move in this hour. Mm, eh, yes, some people say that it's manipulation and everything. I would say like that was my mistake for open the trading nothing to the 43.70. That's all. I should wait the 43.78. I should wait this point. This candle that was the point of reaction and try to wait for open the trade early. We didn't survive to that candle. That's all. That's the only thing what I'm going to say about the manipulation. I know it was one candle for 1 minute to go to our stop, but the main reason was the ground point of entry. Well, at the end, the idea was correct. The song was correct. The execution wasn't good. In that moment, when we opened the trade in 43.75, I thought like the point of entry was really good, you know. So let's go. I took the decisions in the moment when I'm seeing the market. Now it's very easy to say, no, yeah, the 43.75 wasn't a good point, but in that moment the price was here doing a consolidation, and that was the best point what I can find in that moment, guys. So well, remember today we got this giveaway giveaway for the side of Ola Prime. So remember, if you want to receive the 200% welcome bonus with Ola Prime, just go here and click into the link. Okay, the just click into the link. The link is into the description. The link is into the chat, guys. 200% welcome bonus. Yes, my initial was in 57, but remember I tried to use an standard stop near to 150 pips, less than 160 pips. Um, well, I think I need to recover my account. Hard work for today. New York and Tokyo. That would be difficult, you know. I will try to increase a little the lot size. Let me see there. Roulette virtual. So I will give 5 minutes for the people who wants to participate for All a Prime giveaway. Remember the giveaway is very simple. Just follow me on Instagram. Create your account with this link. Share me the screenshot for you already create the All a Prime account. And this giveaway is for the 10,000 challenge with Ola Prime. Okay. So the people into the Discord is not taking advantage for that. So I will continue with this. Okay. In YouTube. We have new participants here. So we have Orame, Dennis, Arame. What's Arame? Dennis Skip, for sure. Richard Cam, Ivan, Dr. Ammer is there. Ivan is there too. Moses Fakes, Pablo V, Amberkia, Giuseppe, Nicholas M, Bruno Padai. Ashwin was the last participant. Let me see if I have another one. Let me check the Ashwin. Okay. Yeah, all of there. Reply. Okay, great. I'm going to do this giveaway and send you in Instagram. There is no confirmation, no confirmation. But send a message now for if I skip your name. So send something. I don't know, a letter or my name, or say like, "Hi, I'm Aditya," for add you into the wheel. Remember, create account there into the link for this challenge, this giveaway for today. Joy of beam, damn bro, it just took our stop loss and then boom. Yes. It's pretty sad, right? Pretty sad. But well, if the price go back and touch the 43.67, I will try the position. The re-entry. Price is coming back for the retest, yes. So let's focus on here. Remember, I already lose my Thunder account. I need to pass another challenge. That's so boring. Yesterday I committed a mistake too, to don't take a partials in the trade. Yesterday I was in around $900 in positive, but I didn't take up any partial, just like 10% in my real account, and that now it's I'm seeing the the problem with that decision. Now I'm down for $250 into the account. Okay, we will try this. See if I lose it. No session tomorrow. 5 minutes more for end the candle in 50 minutes. Testing the 4370. $43.67. Waiting the 3 minutes for this candle ends. Okay, the candle ends there. Testing the 4370. We need minimum the 4367. Okay, good. Mhm. 67. Let's see if we can touch the 65. Well, the accumulation looks there. $68. We got an accumulation there. Mhm. 66. Good. 64. Let's see if we can get something good there in 64, like an accumulation or something like this. But I'm still holding. I'm not into the position right now. Or test the 4360 probably. Could be a good option. Let's see if we get an accumulation there or not. It depends for the next candles. 63. Okay, the price is trying to stay there. Okay, 65. Let's wait this candle. Just some seconds more. Mhm. Okay, give us a good reaction in 43.65. Let's get some retracement there. 67 of original point. $67. That could be our option. Okay, the position it's there. Let me clarify it here with this, using this. Remember, I'm not using the funded now because this is done. The point is 43, 68, that 24. $43, 52, that 50. Mhm. 'Kay. That is our position, and we're working to the TPs. $43.80.50. Mhm. 43.89. TP3. Okay, there is the position. 43.52 is the stop. Main position here. Let me know whether you prefer to see this, or let's see it like this. Just not position into the funded to get the funded. It's done. It's done. So let me see if we can show the price. I think you can see the price there. Or not. stop loss. No. Well, this is the point. The price still there. Let's see if we got a good reaction there. 43.52. That 50 is the stop. The position it's there. Let's see the result. If we have some lucks here, gold is golding today. Keeps swapping between beer and bull signals. Yes, both sides going up, going back. High volatility. Um, this is the conditions. We need to adapt the conditions and continue. That's all. Nothing else. No other option. Going up, going back. Let's see if our point 43.70 it's a good point or not. It will depends for the next candles. Going back to the 43.67. This is the last two candles here. Well, that's one candle. 43.65. Trying to stay there near to the 43.65. And they win some volume for sellers. Mm, 43.63. Mhm. Testing the last point of reaction. It's the 43.57. Of course, I don't want to see that point. Let's see if we can continue or not with that pressure. It depends for the next candles. Again, if you get a better point than me, 43.52, that 50 is the stop, guys. Be clear of that. Mhm, 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 mhm. Trying to going back to the 43.65. Let's expect we can continue like this, near to the 43.60, 43.65, and not with any weird spike or something. Not a weird spike. Now, right now, it's the pressure is like this, and the volatility is like this. 43.60 now. 43.59. This is the last point, 43.57. Let's try to see something good. 57. 60. 'Trying to going back to the 43.65. We need to continue like this in the next 10 minutes. Losing the pressure again. Went into the middle of the drawdown. $43.63. Again, the ones who take a better position than me, 43.52, maximum 43.50. That could be our points, okay? So please understand that. Just don't change the stop loss that much, guys. Please, please, please. That's my only request for all the people here every day. Don't change the stop loss. Try to use the similar point, and that's all. Now we are going back to our point of entry. The ones who don't like the trade can resist the pressure. Let's see. We have what 12, 7 minutes more. So we need to pass the 43.74 first. Let's see if the next 5 minutes we can recover some points for the prices. Okay, this is the last 5 minutes for this candle. Let's see if we can get something good. Come on, gold. Don't play it with those. How is Hola Prime paid out? Move a tech, my friend. My account's in Toronto right now. I'm thinking to survive. Now I'm thinking to survive. I'm not thinking to the payout right now. So I'm thinking that my first payout, and I hope at the end of the month we can be in positive and get a good payout, or the next week. But now I'm thinking to survive. Uh, Acá con todo apretado acá, pero vamos que se puede, pura vida, madre, pura vida. Tenemos que let's see what happened. So yes, guys. So now I'm trying to survive with this account. Um, then I would try to do a payout with everyone here. But the method for deposit was very easy by USD as usual. I have another people who report me they did the wire transfer, and the wire transfer was pretty good, you know. And the welcome bonus was nice for that people. For example, here, let me see if I can choose here. So the bonus will apply pretty good. For example, this, he did deposit for 10,000, and he receives his bonus for another 10,000. So that was great. The welcome bonus was good. For that type of quantities, it's like maximum credit is 10,000, guys. Okay, but the credit was great, the deposit was good, and it worked perfectly. So at the end, customer service did his work and give his deposit with no problem. So now his balance is um 20,000. So well, good, great. There is the options if you want to work with Dollar Prime. They will give you, just be sure, the deposit, guys. Maximum credit is 10,000. Okay. For the rest, you can do it with no problems. Okay, the candle ends with some recover. Now let's see if we can go up to the 43.74. If you don't like the trade, guys, just close the position. If you can resist the pressure, close your positions. Okay. For this year, I did around six, seven, eight payouts, something like this. But with the other broker, with the Ola Prime, that's my first month with them. I'm trying to survive with the account. So again, I will thinking about the the payouts when the account will be in positive. Now we are. Well, I am in almost 7,000. Not a good. starting with 9,000. So I'm 200 negative. Just yesterday, I didn't follow my strategy, and I didn't took any partial. Um, well, Paneto, saludos, mi amigo, pura vida. Espero estés bien. Where's your store? Hello, Rita. You're holding. Did you close it? I'm holding, guys. You can see the numbers there. That's memes. I'm holding. Every time you take a deep breath, I take a deep breath. It's good to breathe, to relax. I'm trying to to stay there. Well, we touched our first stop loss in New York session today. Healy. Back to the point of entry. Bueno, sí, de ahí esperemos que se pueda dar. Eh, es parte de, ¿verdad? Es parte de aguantar, ver qué pasa. Mucha indecisión hoy, pero sí necesitamos una caída, una subida bastante fuerte. So, well, we need to break the 43.70. That's the point. Exacto, que tengo que partir. Trying to stay there into the point of entry. Si es que las empresas que son las que mueven están en la playita. Están de vacaciones, pero bueno. Selling. So, street candies, open your cell, my friend. Very simple, right? You can open your cell. Price is going back again to 43.66. We need to stay up to the 43.65 minimum. So, well, the price continue there. We need to continue up to the 43.65. And again, recover that point, the 43.64, 43.73. That's the point what we need to recover it. Price trying to stay there. This is the last 6 minutes. So well, the price is trying to stay there. Staying to the point of entry. This is the last three candles. Let's see if the next one can give us something good. But well, the price is going back to the 43.65. $43.65. Mm, okay, in 1 hour. Well, at least in 1 hour is respecting the 43.60. Well, let's see in the last seconds here. Let's see if the price can go back to the 43.65. That would be nice. Okay, 43.65. Buyers trying to defend that point. The price ends there in 43.65. Let's see if they can continue with that pressure. Going back to our point of entry. And remember at the end of this trade, we will we will continue with the giveaway. Trying to stay into near to the 43.65. Going back to the 43.60. Twenty and 27. Mm. Uh-huh. Okay, 32. That's not good. Let's see, we need to see a good reaction in the next 43.60 maximum. Remember, our last point of reaction is 43.55. So let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay. 62. Still there. Again, testing. The 61. 60, 60, 59. So this is our last point. Price testing lower prices 43.57. If we don't see nothing good in the next 5 minutes, the stop loss will be there. Unfortunately, okay, this is the crucial 5 minutes. Trying to stay there, but this is not enough. We need more, and of course, the price will continue with the same pressure. So let's see. Mhm. 43.60. That's well, 43.56 was our last point of reaction. It gave us something, one candle, but this is the a process for 5 candles. So we need something good there. The last five ending near to the 43.60 could be the deal. If not, pretty close to the stop, we will touch that point. 57 now. Testing the 56. And then the last candle 43.55. The 50 minutes candle ending with full body. So not too much possibilities at this point. Breaking the 43.57. Just some pips more for touch the stop. Unfortunately, this candle's looking good. Ending near to the 43.55, but that's not the best point for ending this candle. Now we have a full volume candle, so high probabilities to the price just go straight to our stop. And now we need to break the 43.60 if we can get something. But I think the price will go to the stop in the next 2 3 candles. Mm, Okay, probably in the next candle we will hit the stop. Just some pips more, 20 pips for touch the stop. Remember, the stop is 43.52.50. So, well, the candle continue there, trying to survive with not that much. 43.54. Trying to give us something, but not zero expectations. And there we are. The stop is there, guys. Stop hit. Unfortunately, we tried to do something there with that reaction, with that retracement, but the price will continue to the other prices around to 43.30, 43.20 probably. 'And New York session. So well, we start the week pretty nice, pretty good. But today we touched the third stop in the day, so not too much to do, unfortunately, and then another difficult week with this in New York, four trades, two stop loss, two wins. And for Tokyo session, we tried to first stop, two stops, and one win. So well, at the end, not the best, not the best week, unfortunately, ending negative the week. 12. Let me do the maths here. 85. 72. That is the results for the week. Nine trades. Nine trades, yes. No, seven trades. Sorry, seven trades. Three wins. Three wins, four stops. With the stops for Tokyo session was a little different because we cut the difference there, little stop loss and everything. Well, at the end, ending with this recap for the week, seven stops, not that much. Sorry, seven trades, four stops, and three wins. We start a beautiful week. Well, today the market didn't give us the best reactions here. Okay. So please don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. Starting in 9,000 this account. Now it's six 6,300 dollars now. So I need to do my work tomorrow. I will continue by Discord and everything. Oh well, of course, no sessions tomorrow. Why? Because we already touched the maximum stops per week. The maximum stops per week is four stops, and I will stop the sessions, guys. So be clear of that. I'll be back next Monday. Next Monday for New York session here. For the big members, of course, I will continue by Discord and everything. All good. But here, stop taking the e-trades. So we'll continue with this. Let's do the giveaway. Let me check if we have something here. Okay, no new participants. So let's see. For the Dinky Challenge, let's see. Okay, SNW. This guy is SW Design General. Hello, you win. Give me your email and name plus a full name. So where for SN Design, this is the user. He shared the information there into the Telegram, into the this Instagram. Well, this is the contact now. I will contact him for give the steps, and that's all. So NSN, I will keep this, delete this. The rest continue for the rest of the month. Well, the others continue for the rest of the month. The Dennis Kip, Richard, Ivan, Dr. Amir, all of them will continue. For the trade, guys, well, we try to use the volume buy sound in 1 hour plus 4 hours, but it wasn't successful. It wasn't successful, as you can see. The 43.68 was here. We tried to use that point for this candle, controlling the point. Then the 1 hour, inclusive here, the 1 hour in 43.65. Oh, well, that's all. Now the next one is 43.51. It giving us a good reaction and everything. But probably it's going to do a retest to 43.70, 43.75 for continue with the fall. Okay. So just be clear of that. Why we didn't use the 43.87? Basically because the confirmation was this massive candle here, and we didn't saw the retrace. But well, the point is like this: the volume buy zone in 43.70 will disappear in the next candles. Now, guys, back in next Monday, this week started beautiful, well, ending in negative. So, well, let's see what we have in the next week. Sorry for the ones who lose this position. I will try to do my best. I will try to apply my best knowledge, but well, sometimes it's not enough. So let's see. Let's see what we have for the next sessions. Tokyo awful, so I'm not going to take any in Tokyo today. I'm not going to take nothing for tomorrow. The problem today, probably at the point of entry. Yes, probably the point of entry was a little high. Not probably. That was the problem to open the both trades. The consolidations, what I choose into the point of entry, was too high. How to find these levels? I use the volume sums, but well, today they didn't work. It didn't work so well. Dr. Mermon, ask me by Discord, my friend. Ask me by Discord. Mm, I will answer you there. Well, again, it's happening the same thing for the price probably will go up. But that's all, guys. See you next days. Sorry for your bad results. Not too much to do. Please just respect the stop loss. Now, the ones who still holding, guys, just see if the price go back to the 43.70, 43.75 or something like that. Um, close the positions. Close the position. The ones who take a better position than me, 43.60, for example, use the point of entry as reference, 43.68 at 24. Okay. So, well, the price is going back to our point of entry after touch the stop loss. Well, yes, next session will be better. Hoy está muy caprichoso el mercado, sí. Reacciones, nos toca stop loss, hacer reacción, hacer reacción. Unos dirían que es manipulación, pero no. Error de ejecución. El error de ejecución fue no esperar el 43.65 en este caso. Lo intenté esperar, cuando lo tomé me entró en 43.68. Si lo hubiera metido en 43.65, ahí estaríamos sin ningún problema. Pero bueno, no se pudo. Se tomó ese punto. Now it's easy to say like 43.65 was the correct point. But when I took the trade, remember the price was there in consolidation and tried to take the 43.67, 43.66. Unfortunately, when I took my decision, the price was in 43.68. Well, nothing else, like I tried. My point of entry was there. The stop loss I'm trying to use less than 160 pips as usual, 150. If the price go back and touch the stop loss and then go up, well, the error was an error for execution, I think, because probably I will think to wait the 43.65, and well, nothing happens. Okay, happened the same things in the both trades. It's not a manipulation, guys. It's not the something personal for the market with us. It's just when you execute the trade manually, as me, you will get sometimes you will get the really good points, and sometimes you will get not the best points. Okay. Today we didn't get the good points. Okay. Do you think we react to original TP1? Yes, I think we will react to the original point, guys. So, well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Remember, if you want to work with Hola Prime, you will receive the 20% of discount if you want to be a funded trader. If you are of the 60% of the people of this channel using the real funds and you want to receive the 200% welcome bonus with all of Prime, just go there, click into the link, minimum deposit $200. Okay. So well, guys, thanks for everything. This is the information what I have. Sorry, difficult, difficult loans today. They are trying to recover. In the two trades, we touch the stop and then the price go up. Not a manipulation, not the market is against us. It's just an error for execution for the way the correct points. Okay, so sorry for that. Trying to do it as the best as I can. Unfortunately, the price today wasn't in our favor. See you soon, guys. This is the reality of trading. This is the reality for the all the positions when you're trying with with the market. With both another account, so to be funded. Let's see what happened. Probably I will choose the a direct one. Direct. Yes, in direct we have good points. Yes, probably we choose the direct for 25. Day loss limit is 750. It's too little. Probably the 1000 could be an option. I will check. I will check what can I do with this, because the daily loss for for the 1000, it's very similar to what I use. Not in daily. Let's see here. No, I think the 50,000. It's the daily loss. It's similar. Okay. Well, I wish I would take my decision next days. At this moment, guys, the ones who are holding, please try to think him to close your trades. Okay. The rest, sorry guys for the bad day, bad session. Back next Monday, um, in New York session. See you soon.